I'm at my local Walmart doing my whole arbitrage thing. It's just so easy to make money. Of course, right now we're in the holiday season now. I'm sort of just throwing this stuff into the mystery van. You guys already know how that works. But I just want to encourage anybody that wants to make a little extra money. That's something that we've always done. By the way, if you could do me, my producer Jim, and my lovely sidekick Miss Karen a favor, smash that like button. It does so much more than you'll ever know. It does for the channel. So we appreciate that support. I tell you what, it's literally the day after Thanksgiving. I'm going back to the crib to eat some of these leftovers and go back into another food coma. I'm not even going to take this junk out of the van until tomorrow when I pack it out. So I'll do that. So stay tuned. I'll see you there. And we'll talk a little bit more about the benefits that selling products online, particularly food, why and how that can be so beneficial to you. Hey, what's going on, hustlers? It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. And like I said, I wasn't taking this junk out of the car till the morning. I just wasn't dealing with it last night. But I tell you what, boy, selling online is just great in the morning when you start your day. So I'm over, man. I'm gonna grab this pile of of snack foods out of this van and go ahead and get packed up. Because even on Saturdays we got packages going out. Now most of my stuff goes out UPS, and they typically don't work. Well, they don't do my regular pickups on the weekend, but regular mail does. And there's just strategies. And there's situations where regular U.S. mail is going to be the better choice. And I can tell you, I've been shipping regular mail since 2004. And they have come a long way, man. They were just abysmal before. And they stepped their game up. And their price reflects that. They're no longer the cheapest all the time. But, hey, you get what you pay for in a lot of situations in life. A lot of those strategies we talk about in the Working Class Hustler private group. I have a private group that you can get involved with. But what I really wanted to make sure you guys knew about, I want to make sure you know about the free workshop that I had very recently. You have access to that free workshop, and in that free workshop, we're going to talk about exactly what you're looking at here, snack food. Because as you guys know, if you follow my channel, that is what I like to focus on. And the reason why is it's one of the things we all look for when we're selling online, whether it be Amazon, eBay, Walmart, all these different platforms, your own website. I do have that. You want that replenishable. You want that product that you can constantly turn, that it's reliable, dependable, and predictable. When you have those three elements, now you got a business. And then you have a business that's in motion. And once it's in motion, then you can direct it the way you want. You see what I'm saying? Now, you get a lot of questions when you're making money. People always want to ask you all sorts of questions. How much do you get to keep? How much work do you have to do? You guys, if you're asking that, you don't understand about business. Business is about getting in motion, then making adjustments to actually suit your particular needs. People want to ask, what are your margins? Okay, that's something you can control. Learn how to get a business in motion, how to get it reliable, predictable, and dependable, so that you have a running business. That momentum is just like water in a dam. Once you have the momentum, you can direct it. You can say things like, hey, this ain't enough profit margin. And then you can use your mind, which is your greatest gift, to turn that momentum into results that you want, okay? I can show you, and that's why I want you to actually attend the free. It's already pre-recorded, but attend the free webinar. And then you learn all the elements that you need to get your business in motion. Once you do that, you can direct it to get the results that you want from it. So make sure you check that out. The link will be down in the description. And as always, you guys have my number. You can text the words working class hustler. Get a response from me, ask a quick question, but do take advantage. If you didn't get a chance to catch the workshop live, check that out, and I will be in touch.